This video is an overview of the course. In other words, it's a brief explanation on why you need to take this course and what you could expect of it. In past few years, data science has been on the spotlight. Breakthrough discoveries and advancement in several fields has made data science skills on demand. You could see the data science contribution in, for example, autonomous vehicles. We are very close to the point that driving is not considered an individual skill anymore. Credit prediction is another application field. Many financial institutions today use data science when they want to decide if they want to grant a loan to an individual or not. Another aspect is targeted advertising. I'm sure you have had this what happened moments when you thought of something and Google suggested a relevant topic to you immediately. It seems that the machines are one step ahead of us when it comes to formulating our thought process. Healthcare and medicine is another field highly influenced by data science. Smart treatments for cancer, early detection of diseases, or proposing smart personalized treatments are only some examples. And the contribution of data science goes beyond the examples that I provided here, but this is just to give you a heads up that what you could expect of data science. In this course, we are going to cover even briefly many data science aspects. We will talk about proper data usage, and this means not only on the ethical issue, it's like what is the data and what portion of it is useful for us. We are also going to talk about data nature in future videos. Data are varied and different and have a varied nature, so it is important to have an understanding of their nature so you could formulate the right questions. We are also going to discuss different data types. Data come in all shapes and forms. It is important that you have an understanding of what is a type of data and what are the application field that you could use this type of data in. Another one is data visualization. We are going to discuss data visualization in brief at some points during the course. And modeling is also a very important aspect of data science. We use the data, we build some models on that, and we get to this spectacular data science applications that you see. So modeling is an integral part. And validation. We have the data, we have the modeling, but we need to validate the data, the model. Basically, we need to make sure that the model that we built is trustworthy and it could be used in critical situations. We follow several goals in this course. The first one is that it is an introductory course, so we won't dive deep in several topics, but we are going to have some overview of the whole data science field at the end of this course. And we are also get familiar with the terminology. Data science has become a language in itself, so it is important to understand the terms and terminologies of data science. We also will learn where to look for answers. We have some well-formulated questions. It is a skill to know when you have a question where to look for the answers. This is another goal that we are going to cover in this course. And it is important to ask the right questions. This is the dataset I have. What could I build based on that? Or I am facing this problem in real life. How do I need to formulate my question so that it could be solved using a data science approach? Any right question needs a right answer. This is another aspect that we are going to discuss in this course. How to find the right answer, the answer that is relevant to our question, that helps us overcome our problem, and it is a reliable one. We are also going to talk about data values. All data are not as valuable as the other ones. Some of them are relevant, some of them are not relevant, some of them are redundant, some of them needs a lot of playing with so that they could be useful, but understanding the data is very important. We are also going to talk about opportunities that data science provides you. You already see, and I gave some examples at the beginning of this lecture, that data science have a lot of applications in very important domains in our day-to-day life. So it is important to know the opportunities. It's important to know where data science could become handy in solving the problems. But it's all not rosy and beautiful all the time. There are some challenges. We need to identify those challenges. We need to be prepared for them. We need to know that data science is not a silver bullet. It's not going to solve all our problems. It's going to solve some or even many of them. But there are still challenges that we're going to face when doing a data science project. We have come a long way forward, but still there are so many things that we need to solve. So this is a very important aspect that we're going to discuss, challenges of data science. In this course, we are also going to look at data science as a cycle. What I mean is that we have a question that we want to find an answer for. So we are going to collect relevant data, and then we try to find our answer using this data. For example, by building a model, it could be over even some simple data analysis, exploratory data analysis. And then we go back to our question. It doesn't mean that the first time we get a data and we try our hand on it, we get the answer to their question. Sometimes our question needs refinement. So basically, the data helps us refine our question. It tells us, okay, this is your question, but you could not really answer it the way it is right now. There is some refinement needed here and there. So there is a cycle. We ask a question, we collect the data helps us refine the question, and then we get back to the data and we continue this cycle until we get to the point that we are happy with the answer we're getting from the data to our question. In the next video, we are going to talk more about data science. We are going to answer the question what data science is. See you in next.